ready to go out. This guy's also ready to go out. Wait, I forgot something. What's up, guys? And it's week 5 of 23 weeks of growing food. Let's go. We have this much hay. I need to spread it all over the beds, then we'll kind of fix it into the lines. Eggs have been my highlight for week 5. What would be 23 weeks of growing food without chickens, without eggs? One of the things we've done within these 23 weeks, I didn't talk about that, is we bought chickens. I bought 4 chickens, that is 3 hens and 1 cock. And I suppose 2 of those 3 chickens have started laying eggs. Those day-old chicks we brought, they're growing. There is one that had pasty butt some time back, that one there. This one over here. She had, I don't know if it's a she or a he. Say she had pasty butt, and we managed to see it because one had died of pasty butt. So one got pasty butt, we didn't see it, we didn't catch it early, and then died. And then we noticed. And then we were all alert. And when that one got pasty butt, we saw it and cleaned out the butt. Let me go have me some lunch. I'll see you guys next week.